promethazine, all in my lean. Fuck do you mean? Asking if I double cup when I lean. For the green, a nigga a fiend. Alright, well anyways, forget it guys, because I really couldn't do it the way I wanted to do it. But basically, this is what I'm building. It's not complete, but I'm gonna show you guys anyways, just so you guys can see it. Now, let's see. Basically, this is what I'm building. Building a Glock 43, not a 43X, just a 43. See, everything's bare. There's nothing in there. I already put the extended magazine on. But pretty much, I'm making this build for my wife. Of course, like I said, this is the only magazine that has the gold on it. Honestly, it doesn't bother me that much. This is burnt bronze, this is gold, but everything else is gonna be gold like this. Magazine lock, so everything's gonna be gold. But for my wife, I know that this is probably gonna be the biggest hindrance. She's probably gonna be bothered by that a lot. So of course, when she puts in the, this is a 6+9, so of course when she puts in just a 6, it's gonna be black. Everything's gonna be black except for the trigger, the lock, and the extended, and then the slide lock lever, which is gonna be about right here. See, nothing, everything's empty. But I just wanted to let you guys know what I bought. So literally, I bought almost everything from Tyrant CNC. So I got this from them, the slide lock lever, Glock slide plate, black. I mean, that's gold, but you know what I meant. And then the Glock extended mag release, which is right here. So like I said, everything matches up to this color. And then like I told you before, I bought the gold slide lock, the extended slide lock right here. So it's not like, you can actually grab it. You don't gotta dig your nails in there. You can actually grab it like this. Then I also got this barrel. It's from Tribe. I got everything in the packaging right now. I don't know if you guys can really see that color, but it pretty much matches with, like I said, every other gold that I have. And then the last thing I got, said from Tyrant. So I'm not gonna put their links down in the description just because I don't have a code for them, and I'm not about to market for them, you know what I'm saying? But it comes with this really cool tool right here, and basically that is for the T-comp. I'm not gonna take it out, but it comes in this nice gold. Like I said, I bought all of my gold from Tyrant, so everything matches up. There's no different colors on any of them. The only different color that I have on my whole gun, once again, is this burnt bronze, but it doesn't bother me. And I got the RMS sights on it. I'm gonna call this my Louis Vuitton Glock, aka Agent 43. You know what I'm saying? It's Louis Vuitton Glock, aka Agent 43. But today, I'm gonna show you some other stuff I got for it. So, of course, I got the lock and block from Glock. I'm still waiting for the trigger housing to come in and the trigger. Got my Glock 2. Make sure you get one of these, only 20 bucks on Amazon. I got the O-Light. I'm not gonna take it out, guys, so my phone's acting up. But basically, I'm trying to tell you guys, I got this Glock tool. I got this from Amazon. Definitely gotta get it. It's like 20 bucks. Help you for all your Glock stuff. I got an O-Light, but I'm not gonna take it out because I was playing with it and it died. They sent it to you half charge. I got this recovery thing, so it turns the Glock 43, and basically it gives it a Picatinny rail or a rail, so to say, so I can put my Olight on it. And I'm gonna go to Tier 1 Conceal to get a custom holster for this, because they don't have a custom holster. They have a custom holster for almost everything. They have a custom holster for the Glock 43, but they don't have the custom holster for a Glock 43 with an Olight on it. They only have the TLR Streamlight. And then these are the sights I'm gonna be putting on it. So I don't know if you guys can see. Let me see. Let me turn the light off real quick. So if you guys can see, it's kind of in the, it's in the plastic. You can't really see it. And like I said, I'm about to take it out, but and this piece is backwards. You can't really see it. Let me take it out though. I'm not gonna do injustice to them because it's really good. So it's a titanium. You probably can't see because it's freaking dark, which is fine. I can't even see the light. I don't even know where it went. Okay, it's kind of dark in here. Anyways, I mean, like I said, I made it dark so you guys can see, but pretty much lines up like this, something like that. But you see how it's like that? Hold on. I turn the light back on. Can't really, I mean, you can see it a little bit, but not really go on that much. So that's what I'm doing for that. Today, I'm installing all of this. So like this. I'm installing all on this, so to say. And for like the YouTube policies and stuff like that, I'm really not allowed to show you guys this part. So honestly, yeah, I can't show you guys this part. But basically, I'm about to build this. So once I'm done building it, I'll let you guys see how it comes out. Alright, so I told you guys I was going to do the final product view, but this is it. So I put everything in. Like I said, I'm not going to show you guys how I built it just because that's how it is. I'm still waiting for my shield sight to come in. That's for my RSMC cut. That's where my red dot's going to go. And my red dot is co-witness to my rear sights. These are the true glows. You see something like that. But this is pretty much how the whole build came out. So once again, pretty much all these parts. I'm not gonna tell you where I got these parts from just because, like I said, I'm not sponsored by none of these people. Maybe if I get a sponsorship link, I'll put a link below. But it's the compensator, Olight, trigger, and then this trigger, you can see. Hold on. I'm not left-handed, I'm right-handed, so. But as you can see, look. It doesn't have any of that back plate. So here, I'm gonna lock it. I'm gonna cock it back one more time so you guys can see. So it doesn't have, like, normally for a regular trigger, it'd have this slack back here. Like where it's stopping right now, it'd probably already be pulled in, see? So all of that, and I have like slack back there. I can't really show you because this one doesn't have it, but you see that? In a regular Glock, you wouldn't have that. It'd be a little bit more like loose, so it wouldn't be, because right when it's clicked, you know what I'm saying? Another Glock, you'll be about right here, and it still got some more space, and like it'll be like sluggish, and then you pull it, and then you gotta do it. Hold on, I'm gonna put you guys down real quick. Alright, so I switch hands. I'm in my right hand now, but pretty much that's how you do it. This is extended. So you see I can hit my thumb right there. It's easier to hit my thumb. And then right here, you have the extended slide lock, so it's easier to grab. You don't have to use your nails. You could just do that. And then extend the slide release, and it just drops the mag like that. See? And of course the mag will fall out like, here, let me look. Mag falls straight out. I'm just doing that because I had it on the table, of course. You know what I'm saying? So yep, that's pretty much it. That's how it looks. Nice and clean. Gold right there. That's it. Took it to the shooting range today. I didn't get any footage of that, but if you guys want footage of me shooting this at the range with the compensator, the light. Oh, I didn't even show you guys the light. So this is how the light looks. So you have three things. You have just the light. Then you have the light and the laser, which is the combo. So probably not picking that up right there, but and then you can just have just the beam. And of course, I'm sighted in at the range, so everything's lined up. So with me, I have both on at all times, the laser and the light. That's pretty much it. That's the build. Hope you guys enjoy this. If you want me to build more, or if you have any suggestions of firearms I should build, just let me know. And then, like I said, I can keep like a parts list and stuff like that. Just gotta make sure I get sponsored by the people. Yep. And I'm gonna show you guys the last thing. So if I hit the light, you can kind of see it, but you can definitely see, you see perfectly. So, and these are the True Glow night sights. But thanks for watching the video. I appreciate you guys. More videos coming. Thank you. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, and share this video.